Just gained PIP joint extension with a cast? Don't stop there. Here's how to turn that stiff joint into a flexing functional finger without stretching, splinting, or surgery. I'm Robyn Midgley, and I help hand therapists solve digital stiffness with smart, cast-based strategies that isolate the real problem. Every post I share one clinical move you can use right now without waiting for new gear or protocols. Let's say you just finished the 5-to-5 protocol and gained extension. Now the PIP joint is stiff, and if you're not careful, all that progress could stall. What most therapists do next is they work on all the joints at once. They skip isolation and they leave the MCP joints free. And what happens? The strong joints take over, the stiffest ones stay stuck. Here's why that doesn't work. The PIP joints don't get enough targeted load. The intrinsic stays shortened, and the patient's brain doesn't connect with the stiff joints. So here's what I do instead. Step 1, use a removable POP cast that blocks only the MCP joints. It leaves the PIP and the DIP joints completely free. It conforms tightly to the palm and slips on and off without including the thumb. Step 2, instruct the patient to perform hook fist exercises repeatedly. This elongates the intrinsic muscles, which is the key to unlocking digital stiffness. Step 3, by blocking the MCP joints, you force the stiffest joints to engage, and this gives them isolated movement and the neural input they've been missing. So why does this work? Well, because it shifts the focus to the problem area, and it lets the patient build movement where it matters most. I designed this cast when I realized that not all patients need wrist immobilization. Some need a step down, and some just need to feel that targeted motion. And almost every patient who uses it falls in love with the feeling of blocked MCP joints while the rest of the fingers finally move together. Do you want to try this in your clinic? Well, I've put together a step-by-step guide that shows exactly how to make the cast, the layout, the pressure points, and all. So just comment Flexion guide and I'll send it to you.